Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a visualizer. For this video, I'm going to use an image of the rapper Drake. So first, I'm going to prepare a prompt, then I'm going to connect everything. But before that, I'm going to use a prompt enhancer. This helps improve my prompt and gives me better results. I'm going to connect Nano Banana 2 and add the reference images. After that, I'm going to choose the 2K resolution, which only costs 9 credits, so it's not necessarily that expensive. Here you can see the result, and it's pretty impressive. Now I'm going to launch a new model, once again Nano Banana Pro. This time I'm simply going to ask it to turn the image into pixel art. The result is actually pretty good. Later on, we'll need to fix a few small issues. For example, there are some little dots around the character, but that's not very difficult to fix with a simple prompt. We can easily clean those up. For the next step, I'm just going to organize everything by putting it into a group. All you have to do is press Ctrl plus G. Now we're going to use a new prompt to create the background for the image. I want a gray Nardo Lamborghini that's on fire. As you can see, the first result isn't really satisfying, so we're going to try again. And this time we can see that the result is much better. It's exactly what I was looking for. Next, I'm just going to adjust the image's color grading by using levels. This allows me to darken the exposure and reduce the brightness of the highlights in the image. It's really convenient in Figma Weave and saves quite a bit of time compared to doing it in another tool. Now, as you can see, I've quickly fixed the small issues in the original image. Everything looks pretty clean now. Next, I'm going to remove the white background from the image using Figma because it's much faster and easier. We're going to add it to the compositor. This allows us to combine multiple layers into a single image with the background and foreground image placed exactly where we want them and at the right size. Then we click on Edit to adjust the dimensions, and to exit, all you have to do is click the little X in the top left corner. Here, there's nothing complicated. We just need to write a prompt asking the model to seamlessly integrate the character into the environment, including the shadows and lighting. And as you can see, the result is really satisfying. For example, you can see the flames reflecting on Drake's puffer jacket, as well as the shadows on the side. Everything turned out really well. I really like it. I would have loved to see what it would look like if I decided to make the image photorealistic, but we're going to stick with pixel art. Next, we're simply going to connect the image to several video models, and you can already see the results. The problem here is that I wasn't specific enough in my prompt, so Grok decided to animate some of the elements in the video. Keep in mind that these models can be very expensive in terms of credits. I intentionally used some of the more powerful models to get better results, but you don't have to. You can absolutely work with models that cost much fewer credits. We're going to stick with Grok Imagine and skip Kling. We'll avoid the other models as well. Grok gave me a result that I'm pretty happy with, so now we can edit and refine the video to improve consistency and get exactly the result we want. It's actually pretty good, but I'm going to keep editing it. Of course, here I'm just working with one visual concept, but imagine creating several different scenes to turn them into a full visualizer, or even animated GIFs for your Instagram posts or visuals for your YouTube videos. Next time, I'll show you how to create really aesthetic Instagram posts using Figma Weave, and later on, I'll show you how to create product ads for e-commerce. I've left an affiliate link for Figma Weave if you would like to give it a try. I hope this video makes you want to give Figma Weave a try. In any case, I'm curious to hear what you think in the comments. See you next time, my friends.